I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up PayPal credit card payment. First, you will need to log into your PayPal account, either through their website or the convenient mobile app. Once logged in, locate the Wallet section, sometimes called Banks and Cards. This is your central hub for managing all your payment options, making it easy to add new ones. Next, it's time to link your credit card. Look for the option to link a debit or credit card, or simply tap the plus sign. You will then manually enter your card's details, including the 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and the 3-digit security code. Double-check that your billing address is correct, then confirm to link your card securely. Sometimes, PayPal will issue a small authorization charge to your card to verify it. Don't worry, this amount is usually less than $2 and is temporary. You'll need to check your credit card statement or online banking for a unique 4-digit code associated with this charge. Once you have it, go back to your PayPal wallet and enter the code to confirm your card. Now that your credit card is linked and confirmed, you are ready to make payments. During checkout, simply choose your newly added credit card from your list of payment options. For convenience, you can even set it as your preferred payment method in your wallet. Remember to always ensure your billing address in PayPal precisely matches your card's records for smooth transactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.